responsible for the continuing success of VFPC, Mr. Red Gatos and Mr. Nino Bautista.
Finally, we have a new face for Cosmos Skin. It's very hard to choose a new ambassador kasi the consumers right now are intelligent, matalino na mga tao. Hindi pwedeng ipang-memorize mo lang sa ambassador yung spills or pa-posing mo sa camera, tapos na. Everything boils down to a good product. We need a product that truly delivers what it says, diba? The ambassador should be someone who can really personify its character and its value. She's regal, she's poised. I mean, she's the complete definition of beauty.
I'm sure all of us here are very interested, and we all need this to keep up, to be healthy, and of course, look young and vibrant.
Let's all welcome
The new face of Cosmos Skin, Miss Rufa Gutierrez.
For me, the secret is Cosmos Skin. I would take it in the morning, before breakfast, and at night before sleeping. And nakita ko within 7 days, talaga yung skin ko, flawless na ako. Mas naging flawless pa ako. Gusto ko pa siyang i-take ng i-take para talagang super white na talaga ako at super immaculate na yung skin ko. You know, it's also important na kahit diba, wala tayong makeup, maganda talaga at flawless ang skin.
Makinis.
Makinis.
Ruth, I hope you don't mind. Okay lang ba, tanong kong anong ang age mo?
Kasi nga, everyone always says that I look younger than my age. So sa kakalay ko, nakakalimutan ko na talaga, how old am I ba talaga? I have to look at my passport talaga.
What if hindi siya nag-work? Are you going to accept the offer?
Well, of course, if it didn't work, I wouldn't be here today because ayoko naman na i-take ang isang produkto and of course, baka magka-allergy ako or mahimatay ako or you know, I'm allergic pala to it. Before I endorse their product, I have to try it first. So, ginamit ko muna for 10 days para makita ko yung effects, di ba? And napakaganda naman ang naging effects since I took Cosmos Skin and nakita ko naman yung results. Hindi naman ako nahimatay, gumanda naman ang skin ko, nawala yung dark spots ko. Ay, bongga siya. Gusto ko siyang tanggapin. And what I like about it is meron na siyang vitamin C. This one really evens out your skin. So kahit may mga dark spots ka, nawawala siya. And then it lightens it. It makes it more fair. So, of course, I'm already fair. Pero napansin ko na wala yung mga dark spots ko. Na wala yung konti mga, alam mo, mga blemishes, di ba, from the sun. So, it's a very amazing product and I think you're gonna enjoy it.